Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: The Chipko movement, famous for tree hugging to prevent deforestation, started in which Indian state? Answer B. Himachal Pradesh. Question: Which environmental movement in India was led by Sunderlal Bahuguna? Answer C. Chipko movement. Question: The Narmada Bachao Andolan is primarily concerned with the displacement caused by the construction of which dam? Answer B. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Question: The Silent Valley movement was launched to protect the Silent Valley forest located in which state? Answer A. Kerala. Question: Which of the following movements is associated with the conservation of forests in Karnataka and is considered similar to the Chipko movement? Answer A. Appiko movement. Question: Who was the prominent leader of the Narmada Bachao Andolan? Answer A. Medha Patkar. Question: The Bishnoi community in Rajasthan is known for their early environmental conservation efforts. What did they famously sacrifice their lives to protect? Answer B. Trees. Question: The Tehri Dam protests were mainly related to environmental concerns in which Indian state? Answer A. Uttarakhand. Question: Which environmental movement in India was instrumental in stopping the construction of a hydroelectric project in the Western Ghats? Answer B. Silent Valley movement. Question: The slogan "Ecology is permanent economy" is associated with which environmental movement? Answer B. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Question: The Environmental Protection Act, 1986, was enacted following which major environmental disaster in India? Answer A. Bhopal gas tragedy. Question: Which of the following is not a key focus of the Chipko movement? Answer B. Protecting wildlife habitats. Question: The Appiko movement, inspired by the Chipko movement, took place in which region of India? Answer A. Western Ghats of Karnataka. Question: Which Indian environmentalist is known for her work on biodiversity and anti-globalization movements? Answer B. Vandana Shiva. Question: The Save Silent Valley movement was primarily concerned with the protection of which endangered species? Answer A. Lion-tailed macaque. Question: The Chipko movement was first started in which decade? Answer B. 1970s. Question: The slogan "Save the Narmada, Save the People" is associated with which movement? Answer B. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Question: Which environmental movement involved mass tree hugging to prevent logging by forest contractors? Answer B. Chipko movement. Question: The Bishnoi community's environmental ethics are based on which religious or cultural principle? Answer C. Their own 29 principles. Question: The Tehri Dam controversy raised concerns primarily about? Answer: B. Displacement of local people. Question: Which movement successfully prevented the flooding of a tropical evergreen forest in Kerala? Answer: A. Silent Valley Movement. Question: Who among the following is not directly associated with the Chipko movement? Answer: B. Medha Patkar. Question: The Forest Rights Act, 2006, which recognizes the rights of forest-dwelling communities, was influenced by which environmental movements? Answer: A. Chipko and Narmada Bachao Andolan. Question: The Appiko movement was started in response to? Answer: B. Commercial logging in the Western Ghats. Question: The Bishnoi community is primarily found in which Indian state? Answer: A. Rajasthan. Question: The slogan Jungle Bachao, Zindagi Bachao is associated with which movement? Answer: A. Chipko movement. Question: Which movement highlighted the issue of large-scale displacement of tribal communities due to dam construction? Answer: A. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Question: The Chipko movement was inspired by which traditional practice of local communities? Answer: C. Tree hugging. Question: Which of the following environmental movements is known for involving women prominently in activism? Answer: B. Chipko movement. Question: The Silent Valley movement began as a protest against the construction of a? Answer: A. Hydroelectric dam.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.